another feature of a doggone bag is, so you can wear it as a front carrier. And that's what most people do. I've been as far as 40 miles on a bike ride with Hooch. With my regular old doggone bag. But you can also wear this as a side carrier. So what you do is you're gonna, all I'm doing is loosen up the straps, making them almost as long as they can go. And this is where your shoulder pads will come in handy for something else. You can take the shoulder pads and like you do with it regular when the straps are short, you're going to wear it as a front carrier. You cross your straps at the top and not the bottom. Now this will hold your straps together. And whatever side you want to wear it on, you're going to put it over your head like a purse. Put your arm through here. And so now it's a side carrier. It's not high enough, is it? So now you can carry puppy on your side.